Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Google Sheets to manage your social media content schedule. I was trying to get my social media content organized the other day because posting randomly just wasn't cutting it anymore. So I opened Google Sheets and decided to build a simple content calendar from scratch, and it turned out way easier than expected. I started by merging the first row across 7 columns to create a clean header where I added the month and year, then centered it so it actually looked like a proper calendar and not just a spreadsheet pretending to be one. After that, I use a quick formula to automatically generate the days of the week, drag it across, and suddenly it felt like things were coming together. I manually filled in the dates based on the month, then added some color to highlight them, which honestly makes a big difference when you're scanning your schedule. I adjusted the empty rows to create space for writing content ideas, clean up extra columns, and enable text wrapping so nothing spills over awkwardly. Ever open a messy content plan and just gave up? Yeah, this fixes that instantly. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.